captain himself, sponsored by Act Auto Recycling. That's Rob Morgan. Number 48, he's off the trailer, working fuel pump and everything. That's George Connell from Cameron, sponsored by Ron's Barn Repair. One truck left. Remember, this heat sponsored by Mike Roselle Construction. Number 15 at the gate from Bob Cajun, sponsored by Jesse's Fab Farm and Cozy Home Heating and Air Conditioning. That is Jesse Bolton. 4 trucks coming out for the grandstand start. Remember, kids and families, stones are going to fly, mud is going to fly, heck, parts may even fly off these trucks. You want to keep your eye and keep those loved ones protected when they let these 4 trucks off their leash. Logs in place, referees will be making sure the ringside area is clear and safe, and on the whistle, we need a count, starting with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 out of grandstand start. 4 trucks strong. Anthony Chandler, Rob Morgan, George Connell, and Jesse Bolton coming to get it done. One time in mini truck class feature. Lots of tracks to play with. You're going to see just what they can do. We're going to see some mini loads from the hammerhead. Anthony Chandler and Jesse Bolton get it started. You can see on the back and front start heading to the side. That's what the road rubbing for them, and they're making it the hammerhead. We got the small loads happening. From the 2022 on the 15 of Jesse Bolton. Here comes George Connell, he's here to play. Big off on the 25-18 of Rob Morgan. Sponsored by Act Auto Recycling on Glen Bay Road. Connell, Chandler, Bolton continue to do battle.
Oh, you let me down 25.
too late. Jesse come down and gave the shot to knock him out, but Connell just couldn't get it done, giving thumbs up all around.